speaking to the Chief Executive Officer of Destiny Restoration Sports Academy.
Once more, I want to say welcome to everybody. It's really a privilege for me to stand in front here and address these great people. So I want to say once more, you are welcome. This is just a token. This is nothing, but the gift that comes from the heart of a man is better than the one that comes from the street. So this gift is coming from my heart, and it's coming from the partners of Destiny Restoration Sport Academy, and the association is coming from our heart to you people. So no matter how small it is, we are begging you people that you people should receive it with happiness. Destiny Restoration Sport Academy is a place where we train children, not only for football. We train children for manners, attitude, and etc. etc.
Right away, we are going to listen to an address from the advisor of this sports academy, Mr. Ken Ayuk. Can we clap for the advisor?
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pastor Ken Ayuk, and one of the advisors of Destiny Restoration Association. Just to make us to understand, Destiny Restoration Sports Academy is an arm under Destiny Restoration Association, and the association is made up of people of goodwill, people who have the heart to help the vulnerable, the less privileged, to make sure that those who don't have can be lifted up to a level that tomorrow they can also have, and also help others that were in their own kind of position. We are here this afternoon just to give a small token of help to those families, those children who are actually vulnerable, whose family cannot actually provide up to what they are supposed to have for their school needs. We are there to be act as an arm to support those families, to make sure that the children tomorrow can be where they are supposed to be. That is our cry, that is our goal, and that is what we stand for. So please, we are also calling on other persons who can partner with us to make sure that we help these children. We will do everything in all transparency to make sure that whatever comes into our coffers is meant to help these children. So that is what we stand for. So we are here this afternoon to give this item. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Without much ado, we are moving directly into the sharing of the items by Destiny Restoration Sports Academy as a means of encouraging children to go back to school. So follow what the advisor. Hello, Cousin Aru, is he here? Go that way now. Go and receive your item, okay? If you are close now, we will give you. Miss Mabel. Hey, Bonji, are you there?
That's right.
The next Lilian Center, is she there? No, Bore, no, Bore. All right.
What class?
What class? That's one. Yemek George. Yemek George. Are you? All right.
What class, Goga? What class? That's one.
A former, a joker. What class?